Okay, so I just had a call about a PTAC unit not working. First thing you need to check is the thermostat. So as you can see, there's no power to it. So now you come to the actual unit and see if you see anything, you know, weird around here. So you can see no power, switch, no work. Okay, so this only thing you can now check for power, I guess. Nothing. All right. Next thing will be see if your power cord is hooked up. Let's see. Oops. Well, there's a problem right there. I don't know how it come up loose, but I'll hear that click. All right, so let's go check the thermostat. Uh-oh. There you go. Starting back up. That's it. We found the problem.